Welcome to NextGenAI, Daily Brief for October 5th, 2025. The AI landscape continues evolving rapidly across multiple sectors, with several major developments making headlines. Recent events demonstrate both the transformative potential and growing pains as artificial intelligence reshapes business, government, and society. In corporate leadership, AI adoption is becoming increasingly crucial. MasterClass CEO David Rogier has implemented what he calls an AI CEO stack, featuring a personalized ChatGPT clone named Davidify. This toolkit, comprising 8 specialized large language models, has reportedly saved him an entire workday's worth of productivity. Rogier strongly believes executives who aren't leveraging AI daily are putting themselves at a competitive disadvantage. His system spans various business functions, from creating slide decks to analyzing customer feedback in real time. On the government front, Germany is making significant strides in AI integration. Chancellor Friedrich Merz's cabinet has approved a comprehensive modernization agenda mandating AI implementation across public administration, healthcare diagnostics, and vocational training. While the initiative includes substantial funding commitments, critics argue the plan lacks adequate privacy safeguards and meaningful public oversight mechanisms, raising concerns about data protection and algorithmic accountability. A notable cultural mishap occurred with Elon Musk's xAI company when they launched Macrohard AI. The name, intended as a playful reference to Microsoft, backfired in India, where Hindi speakers interpreted it as profanity. This led to widespread social media criticism and trending hashtags mocking the company, forcing xAI to issue a formal apology and reconsider its global branding approach. The incident highlights the importance of cultural sensitivity in international tech branding. In Russia, an emerging trend shows war widows using AI technology to create memorial videos of fallen soldiers. These AI-animated tributes, costing around $30, include optional voice simulations and are helping families process grief amid ongoing casualties. The service, accessed through Telegram or vKontakte bots, transforms submitted photos into lifelike video memorials, providing a novel way for families to cope with wartime losses. The mental health sector is grappling with AI regulation challenges. Several U.S. states have begun implementing their own rules for AI therapy applications in the absence of federal guidelines. Health experts warn that this patchwork approach could leave vulnerable users exposed to inadequately vetted AI counseling services. The lack of consistent standards raises concerns about the quality and safety of AI-powered mental health support. In the consumer space, Friend.com faced controversy over their $1 million Subway advertising campaign promoting AI companion pendants. Despite vandalism and public backlash, CEO Avi Schiffman reports increased sales and maintains optimism about growing societal acceptance of AI companions. The incident reflects broader societal tensions around AI's role in human relationships and emotional support. The financial sector shows mixed reactions to AI developments. Jabil projects an 80% increase in AI server revenue, indicating strong demand for AI infrastructure. However, market analysts express concern about potential bubbles, with some investors moving retirement funds to money market accounts due to AI exuberance. This cautionary approach suggests growing awareness of the need to balance enthusiasm for AI advancement with realistic market expectations. Recent developments at OpenAI indicate significant market confidence, with the company achieving a $500 billion valuation in a recent tender offer backed by major investors, including SoftBank and Abu Dhabi's MGX. The company reported $4.3 billion in sales for the first half of 2025, though with a substantial cash burn of $2.5 billion, highlighting both the scale and costs of leading AI development. Nvidia continues to strengthen its position in the AI economy, with CEO Jensen Huang making strategic moves, including a reported $100 billion commitment to OpenAI. The company has also acquired coding startup Solver, demonstrating its expansion beyond hardware into AI-powered software development tools. Meanwhile, Google is intensifying competition in the AI chip market, securing deals to place its TPUs with additional cloud providers. These developments collectively highlight both the rapid advancement of AI technology and the complex challenges it presents across social, regulatory, and economic domains. As AI continues to reshape various sectors, important questions about privacy, regulation, societal impact, and sustainable growth remain at the forefront of public discourse. And that's your AI briefing for today. If you are looking for more actionable insights, we have specialized content tailored for your impact. For visionary founders and C-suite leaders, delve into AI up close and in context for actionable blueprints to integrate AI into your strategic core and redefine market leadership. For VPs and technical architects, explore AI Unveiled for rigorous insights that distinguish genuine AI breakthroughs from fleeting trends, empowering smarter technology investment. And for the producers, creators, and power users shaping tomorrow, ignite your imagination with AI Live Fire, our hands-on weekly session where you'll master cutting-edge AI tools to build and innovate. You can find links to these series and all of today's news stories in the show notes. Thank you for tuning in.